Hi friends, welcome to our channel DIY Almost Everything. Today we have brought wipro Smart Plug for unboxing and review. This plug works on Wi-Fi and is a 16 ampere plug used for heavy appliances. It is MRP at 2290 and manufacturing of March 21. However, I got this product for 900. Has smart features like control over phone, setup schedule as well as energy saver. This will also operate on Google Play and your App Store. Works on Alexa as well. Let's open it. Comes with a very sleek, nice design plug. This is 16 ampere plug and also a manual. Manual is very easy and simple, 3-step operation. Please note this comes into two more models, 10 ampere and 16 ampere. 10 ampere can be used for any small appliances, 16 ampere for big appliances like air conditioner, geyser, iron. This is the light indicator which I will show you the operations, and this is start on and off button for manual operation. Note it is 16 ampere, so you will need 16 ampere socket. I will install this now in the socket. Switch on the power and do a short press to switch on the plug. Now plug is switched on. Now do a 10 seconds long press for putting this plug into setup mode. Once we do it, you will see the blue light blinking. This is the setup mode. Now you will need a phone to complete the setup. First step, to go on your phone, go in your App Store, either Play Store or your App Store depending on the phone. Search for Wipro Next Smart Home app. Once you get this app, you will see this screen which will read as Wipro Next Smart Home. Click on install. Depending on your internet speed, it will take some time to install the application. Once the product is installed, it will ask you to register with your email ID and a PIN will be sent to your email ID. Once you log in, you have to click on plus icon and add a device. Select the right product. For us it is socket Wi-Fi. Select the Wi-Fi at your home and it will automatically start detecting the device. It approximately take 1 minute to 1.5 minutes to detect the device. Once it is detected, you have to just click on done button and your device is ready to use. Again, this device is 16 ampere, so you can use it on heavy appliances like AC, geyser, iron or anything which is for 16 ampere. Now the device is ready to set. This is how you can switch on and switch off your device using your mobile phone anywhere in the world until you have an internet. Very good product. I will in the next video show how we can use this product for some particular automation. Thank you for watching our video. Have a nice day. Thank you.